video report for Audi A7 MX-13 TGZ. Runs really badly, multiple misfires. Shows as this is the one we're interested in. Supply voltage for fuel injector group A, and that's a P2146. And the next one is fuel injector for cylinder 1, open circuit. Okay, so done, go back. What we want to do now is test the injectors. Now, according to ECU testing, which do a lot of the fault stuff, P2149 is a common fault with the ECU, so I can see why the garage wanted to send it off, but let's actually test the injectors and find out. So injector number 1 on this car is this one here. Okay, so we're gonna compare injectors number 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so bear with me. What I will do is remove injector 1, the plugs rather, and injector 3. Okay, like this. Now I want to go from the pin of the injector to earth. So let's do, first of all, we'll start with injector 3. So I'll plug injector 3 in, and that should show 0. Okay, unplug it, plug it into the next one. Second pin, get him in there. Should show 0, correct. Now injector 2, the same. 0. Second pin, 0. Now, our problem injector, is it the ECU or is it the injector? Number 1, 0. Okay, now go to this one. Second pin, we have a resistance. That's wrong. That is a short circuit to earth on that injector. So if I go to the same, so that's down in there. If I go to the same one here, okay, 0 mega ohms, that means there's no connection to earth. Go onto this injector, 160 ohms, kilo ohms rather, that is a short to earth. And the other pin, all zeros, dead short to earth. That is a faulty injector, so I think that's what's causing our problem. Now, if I just unplug this and I plug in the other 2 injectors but leave this one off. If I go back to the car now, get in, start her up. So what we've got, where are we? Going to this one. Just turn the ignition on. The ignition's on. You're going to make a lot of beeping noises. Okay. Fault codes. Okay. So this is the problem. Supply voltage, fuel injector group A. If I delete that code, go back, read it again. No faults. If I start her up, she's now starting up. She runs much smoother, but she's obviously running on 5 out of 6 cylinders. Okay, and if I now go back to fault codes, it should just say open circuit, cylinder 1. There we go. So I would say without a shadow of a doubt, this vehicle has a short circuit injector number 1. Okay, thanks for watching.